here we are at the Lake Texoma free ride, and I'm just got my hopes so high that I'm just gonna be able to get on this ski that's had no tuning. We just threw together. Hopefully it's gonna just run perfectly, and of course it doesn't. Real boggy, can't clean out. This is why you always have a tuning day before you go riding the lake. And also it tried running away right there. This is why you always bring a backup ski just in case, because I do not like working it on a ski at the lake. Just ride a different one. Let off some tune on it for like 20 minutes, and it started running a lot better, and I could just tell the way it was riding with him on it, running better and better. But then all of a sudden it started running a lot worse.
Getting better. Damn it, this bungee cord bullshit. Here, I'll grab the top.
Oh.
There we go. Just gotta grab that bottom.
Yeah, and having two straps is kind of fighting it too.
Yeah.
We might have just should have put one. I just like to be safe.
Getting towed in? Yeah, the real deal. It was too rich?
Yeah, way too rich.
I feel like it could never clean out.
Yeah, because we were just flooding it with fuel. Yeah, we might need to change jetting.
There you go.
Now the setup that I'm running right now is not what I'm going to continue to run. It's got a 701 in it, but it's got 760 porting. So like it has all the top end you'd ever want with no bottom end. So, and plus it has a 155 pump with a really steep prop. By this time I'd given up because it just wasn't running right and it started having some vibration.
Scary. I don't like it.
It's running better, but we got a couple things going wrong. Vibration really under the tray.
Yeah.
The,
And then another thing, I didn't put my bolts in.
oh, this is good. Thanks, though, bro.
My drain plugs.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Nice. Wait.
Yeah.
But see, when I was feeling that power, you could feel that power kick. It's the fucking port timing. And then it's so boggy on bottom. I don't think tuning's too far off, but I think it's just a combination of no torque and the prop being too steep. It's having a hard time until mid-range to finally kick.
Yeah.
That's, I think it's close. Everything's turned so far in, I think we should step down on jets.
Yeah.
What are the, oh shit. Well, we don't even have to pull the carbs actually. If you just change the jetting when we pull the motor, because the flamer, the covers are on the side.
I'll run out there.
So by the end of the day, I was putting it on the trailer to go home, and I realized I looked up inside the pump just to see if there was anything in there. Sure enough, huge log stuck up in my pump, so it was keeping it from revving out. So after 10 minutes of haggling that and getting that stick out, decided I was going to pull it off the trailer and try it one more time.
Yeah, once you get past 75% throttle, it's like, and it gets on the pipe, it's like, all right, I'm ready to go, let's go. Yeah, it'll be great in the X2.